Hi, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the class. Yesterday, we were doing analysis of the gold, and this is an hourly chart. And as you can clearly see today, the gold has broken the resistance line and it went up. From here, it broke the line all the way up to 1758. That's the highest it's made. And as you can see here, there is a resistance at there you go. There's a resistance at 1760. And it's trying to break that. And I'm thinking that today, I think it will break. I'm hoping. I took an entry here at the 45 this morning. When I woke up this morning, I saw it broke the resistance and came back. And I took an entry at the 45. It came back to 44. Actually 47. I took the entry. So until then, I'm in a swing trade. At the moment, my stop loss is 1731 because I got a big target now, and I'm thinking the gold might go back all the way up to 1800 mark. But having said that, look at RSI. RSI here is also saying that, yeah, there is a room. It's below the 70 mark. There is a room still up to 80 for gold. So there is a buyer's market here. Now, there are a few reasons for the buyers. I'll show that to you in the future. 1 second. Bear with me for a minute. And gold has changed the trend, I believe. There you go. It's a 4-hour chart. Let me get rid of all this so we can start all over again. A 4-hour chart is a similar thing. Obviously, the gold right now, this resistance line is still intact. Once it's broken, then obviously that will be very easy for gold to keep going up. Now the US session is about to open. Only 7 minutes left. And I believe in the US session, when they will see the resistance line has been broken, there are a lot of traders will go in a buy mode. They probably wait for the price to come down to 55, at the moment it's on 55, 50 level or somewhere along here, because we all hope the gold will be going up. And if they buy around here, their stop loss will be underneath there, like 1746 or 1748 level. It depends on individual trader, what they want to decide, how they want to do it. Let's see. The Bollinger Band also has opened his mouth. As you can see, this green line is clearly saying I'm open. But obviously on the 60 level, 1760 level, is also showing that it might be able to turn back. But if it does turn back, then I don't think it will, because now this resistance line has become support line. Before it was resistance, now it's support line, right? So that's the key, that hopefully gold will bounce back from here. And if it carries on up, then the next target, like I said, will be 1775, and then after that 1800. Now, fundamentally, if you look at that, the gold has been running obviously in these two prices in the past, like here. It has been a quite strong resistance, and it broke it now. I mean, this was a time for epidemic. We're going through COVID-19. Obviously, price was running between these two prices from quite some times now, nearly 2 months. So COVID-19, I mean, the UK has been open, not completely, but half of it been open from last few days, and we are hoping that it might be open for full trade in by end of the month. So that can be another reason that people are gaining the confidence and they're coming back to trading. And the gold obviously is a safe haven. So I believe, personally, I can be wrong, obviously. I mean, no one's 100%. But because of technical and the fundamentals, I believe that gold is on the way up right now. And let's have a look at the other chart. Look at his 1-day chart. And what is that telling us? In daily chart is also saying, look, the Bollinger Band has been broken. The green line has also been broken. It's only one huddle right now, which is this one, R2, which is There you go. The R2, that's the only one, which is 1716 mark. If it goes above 1716, that is go very comfortable, opening up all the way up. And here RSI again is also saying it's in bull's control at the moment, and there's a long way up to 70 and to 80 mark. So there is a lot of room for the buyers to come in, and hopefully the gold should actually go above that. Okay, now let's look at let's get rid of this first, and we can look at the swing trade. I'm in a swing trade at the moment. I entered it, like I told you, 1747. So let's see if the weekly chart, what does that say to us? Weekly chart is also saying, there you go. Now, weekly chart is saying that in RSI, look, there's a plenty of room here. It's totally bullish control. It's slightly facing up to 70 and then probably to 80 level. Let's see how far it goes. But the candle, this is a weekly candle. Last week candle, as I told you, was a hammer, very nice hammer, which actually indicates that the price will should go higher. And the Bollinger Band green line here is also saying 1815. It's indicating 1815 is the target. I'm a bit chicken, I'll be honest with you. When it comes to 1780 mark, I will come out, I will leg it, take my profit, and I'll call it a day. After that, it can go any higher if it wants. But never, it's not going to go higher in one direction like this. It's going to obviously swing from like this, and then maybe like this, and then, you know, the price never goes in a straight arrow. So I'm hoping that I will get achieve my target, 1775. If not today, then maybe tomorrow. Hopefully today, that'd be very nice. But it looks like that he has to break the 60 mark first before he can actually go any higher than that. And it all depends, unless there is some news coming which we don't know yet, and that can change things. But right now, obviously, as you can see, even hourly chart is still hovering around here, and it has to break through 1760 before I can be 100% confident. Then yes, it's going to go even higher than that. And once it go above 1762, I will bring my stop loss around 1758. So if even the market goes against me, then I don't lose all my money. At the moment, I'm in $3,000 plus profit. Okay, if I bring my stop loss here, then yeah, I'll have a good profit even the market goes against me. So let's see, this is how the trading works. You have to keep moving your stop loss higher, and then let's see what happens. Money management and the risk management. At the moment, my risks are properly managed. I know exactly how much I'm going to lose if I do lose. So because at the moment I am in $10 profit, so I'm going to move my stop loss to around 17. No, I'm not going to move. It's 7 minutes, so I'm going to still stay there, and let's hope for the best. I might move my stop loss to 1740 instead of 31, because it's still giving me confidence. Then yeah, the gold is going to stay up, and maybe, hopefully, it will go higher than this. Now, this is how we work the technical analysis. This was live trading. Thanks very much. You guys have a lovely day, and I shall speak to you very soon.